Assalamu alaikum class. Today our topic of discussion is the digestion in the plain area. Plain area is a free living flatworm. It means its body is dorsoventrally flattened. This is included in the flatworm and its body is dorsoventrally flattened. This is included in the phylum Platyhelminthes. Now, what is the habitat of the planaria? Planaria live in the freshwater streams and the ponds. Here you can see that there is a single gut opening in the planaria, and this opens at the ventral side, mid-ventral side of the body. Here you can see that this is clearly visible. Mouth opens into the tubular pharynx. This is the pharynx and this is the opening of the pharynx, and that lead into the intestine. Now the intestine branches into the three divisions. Here you can see this is the first division, this is the second division, this is the third division. Alright. On the anterior side there is a one division, and in the posterior side of the body there are two divisions of the intestine, and these are the extensions of the intestine, or you can say that these are the blind and pouch, and these are known as ceci. Planaria engulf prey with the help of its eversible pharynx. Eversible का मतलब होता है जो बाहर भी निकल आए और जो अंदर भी चले जाए. And then push it into the gastrovascular cavity. और गैस्ट्रोवेस्कुलर कैविटी में देन मिक्स होता है फूड एंजाइम्स के साथ. Enzymes are mixed with the food in the gastrovascular cavity, and the digestion first occur extracellularly. It means digestion first occur in the cavity outside the cells, and then smaller particles are absorbed by the digestive tract by the process of the phagocytosis, and then finally further division occur within the cells, that is the intracellular digestion of the food products. Rest of the waste products are diffused out from the body through this mouth opening. In case of the planaria, there is a single opening through which food enter into the body, as well as undigested material remove from the body. This is a single division of single opening of the body, and the digestive tract in the case of the planaria is a sac like digestive tract. This is the completion of the topic. Thank you.